So this is Brad. Brad's going to show us how to do it. Yeah, show. Have a screw pulled that in, and it made that nice and tight. It's even squeezed.
House repairs yourself.
Okay, here we have kind of a regular chair. You can see not too unusual, but it's broken. Little spot here. We're going to show you how to fix it. See how that separates there, and that'll come all the way out. So we're going to try to show you how to fix that up today. All right, we've got the chair tipped over here. You can see this is the one that's broken. So we're going to come from this way. We're going to drill in here. And we're going to put a screw in there. But what we want to do is make sure we follow the angle of the rail on the chair, and so we don't come out the side here somewhere. That's kind of important. You got to look at it and make sure you're angling the right way. We got a real hard spot there. What they do is they drive in a hard wedge in there to hold it, which you did a pretty good job of holding it, but the wood broke. So we're going to have to get through that hard spot. Okay, now once we've got that through there, I want to get a little bit more length out of it, so I'm going to try to pull this aside and find that hole in here. And I'm going to go a little further. I'll tell you why, is because my screw, see here's my screw I'm going to use, pull that down, but if you look here, the bit's not quite long enough for the screw, so I want to get some extra length up in there, which I just did. So now we're going to put a little bit of glue on it, and we're going to put a screw in here. We're going to pull that in tight. Okay, the last thing we got to do is enlarge the hole in this bottom piece so that the shaft of the screw will slip in here. We want this to slip easily and the threads to pull this piece in tight. We don't want it to grab in this first part of the wood. So I've got a bigger bit now. I'm going to go in just the thickness of the seat. Okay, that should do it. And we're going to put a little glue on it and pull it together. So the next thing we want to do is get a little bit of wood glue and just drop. I don't know if you can see that. We're just dropping a little bit in there. It's so jagged, it's going to be kind of hard to get it on everything, but see, we got pretty much in there, so once that dries, it'll add a lot of strength. So now we're going to take our tip and attach this in here.
No,
I don't think so. Now, if you watch from the side here, see how the screw pulled that in, and it made that nice and tight. It's even squeezed some of the glue out, which is good. Now that makes a real strong bond. Once that dries, I don't think it'll give us any trouble anymore. All right.
House repairs yourself.
don't forget to push the like button to subscribe to our channel.